The next question is, where do you think the world's going in terms of organizations and AI? What if you can look into a crystal ball right now?
Mass unemployment.
Yeah, it goes to hell. Everything goes to hell, I think.
No. There's going to be people working with people, doing stuff with AI, controlling it, configuring it, working with it. I see AI for the coming years really as an input more than something that we use as a result. It gives you something back and then you need to work with it. So it just speeds up some parts of the process. If organizations don't shape up and allow people to have a broader mandate to grow with AI, then there will be a lot of layoffs because all these people that have narrow mandates will be easily replaceable.
I think I'm more practical with AI and more optimistic of the progress with AI than Roland. So I've been vibing quite a bit over the last couple of months, and I have to say it is amazing what is now possible with AI. I use Cloud Code, and it is just fantastic what it can do. The functionality I was able to get, whoa, it's amazing. I think we don't know how the future looks like because we humans are very bad at understanding accelerating exponential trends. But old legacy established organization will have hard times knowing what to do with this technology. So we say org design, then AI. It doesn't mean don't use AI. No, use it every day as much as possible just to explore what it's capable of. But if you would like to get to 10x performance improvement at the organizational level, you need to restructure. So you can use AI to actually help people build amazing organizations because now it is way cheaper to learn new things. Yes, on one side, AI is trying to eat us, but on the other hand, if we proactively use it, the org design, then AI, we can really make a drastic shift and help people go beyond whatever limitations they thought they had.